how to fund pocket options account or how to fund a binary options trading account is the next question most people ask when they start their journey in binary options trading. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fund your pocket option account so you can start trading live. My name is Radio and this is BILBRIDGE. If you want to join our community on Telegram, there's a link in the description on how to join BILBRIDGE on Telegram and start your trading journey or continue your trading journey with us. Without taking much of your time, let's go straight into the video. In a previous video, which the link is also in the description, I explained how to set up a pocket option account. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fund this account. And in another video, which is also in the description, I've explained so many reasons why Pocket Option is the best broker for you. As you can see, this is our Pocket Option account. This is where we trade from. This is our dashboard and anything you choose to call it. You can see right here, we have a demo account set up with $1,000 and we want to deposit now. You can click this place that says get 50% bonus on your first deposit. But if you don't want the bonus, you can decide to actually just go straight into clicking finance, or you click right here on your demo account on the money you have. It has listed your account. You have a demo account which the balance is $1,000. You have a live account with $0. MT5 live and MT5 demo, we are not using it and we don't have any business with it right now. So what you want to do next is click on your live account. It will reload and take you straight into your live account. As you can see right here, you have $0.00, $0.00. Go ahead and click deposit now. Before you go ahead depositing, I would strongly advise, if you are not looking to trade long term and compound inside the account, but you want to withdraw daily as you progress, as you make your profits, then I advise you don't take the bonus, because there's a particular turnover you need to make before you'll be able to withdraw when you take the bonus. These are the little things people don't understand and they try to withdraw later on and they feel the broker is not paying or any other broker. When you take bonus, there are always terms and conditions to taking that bonus. If you still need the bonus, you know you are trading long term and you're not withdrawing anytime soon, fine, go ahead with the bonus. Or if you need more understanding on how the bonus works, when you're about to deposit and click on the bonus, it will explain to you how it works. As you can see, the minimum deposit is $50. No commission, quick withdrawals. That is the best thing anyone wants. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's now go into the different ways you can actually fund your live account. You can use your MasterCard. If you are in a country where there's limitations on how much you can actually spend internationally on a daily or monthly, and there are so many restrictions, you can just leave that, dive straight into crypto. You can deposit Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Park, Stellar, Ripple. The choice is yours. The best way we do our trading and we deposit and withdraw is via Bitcoin. The future is going crypto and is easy, decentralized, without stress. So click on Bitcoin. Before you go ahead on clicking deposit to put in the money in your live account, you need to acquire Bitcoin. If you don't know where to get Bitcoin from or buy Bitcoin from, there's a link in the description to contact me. I can easily help you get Bitcoin. Let's assume you want to put in $50, $500, $5,000. The choice is yours. So let's just go with 100. This is where you select if you want to use your bonus or you don't want to use your bonus. If you are looking at withdrawing right now, right there, every day, and compound outside the broker in your wallet or your bank account, you can choose not to take the bonus, because when you take the bonus, there are some limitations and there's a particular rollover amount you must achieve before you can actually withdraw. So that is why you want to consider leaving this bonus out. But if you are putting in this money now to start trading now, compound and see what you can achieve over time, then you can easily take your bonus. Before you know it, in a week or two, you must have traded the volume and rolled over the bonus. Click on continue now that you selected the amount you want. If you have a promo code, you can easily put it in here. This will reload and take you into where you deposit the Bitcoin. Bitcoin deposit notification. Please note that in accordance with the current financial provider settings, minimum withdrawal amount via Bitcoin is $120. Click the continue button to proceed with your deposit. This is telling you when it's time to withdraw. The minimum you can withdraw is $120. Now, to deposit Bitcoin, you can do it two ways. You can manually click on this address, copy it, paste it in the receiver's address in your Bitcoin wallet. Then punch in this BTC amount, exactly what you are seeing right here, 0.00 and whatever is behind, exactly what you see on your screen. When you punch that in, then you send the Bitcoin. In less than 10 to 15 minutes, you will reload your account and you will see your money in your account. And if you want to deposit Bitcoin, the safest way, just open your Bitcoin wallet. At that same place where you see the Bitcoin address you want to send to, you will see a camera icon or a QR code icon. Select the icon, then just point it on your screen and it will scan this QR code that will automatically grab the address. In some wallets, it also automatically grabs the amount, and all you need to do is just click send and confirm. If you need the best crypto wallet, the best Bitcoin wallet, there's a link in the description to the best Bitcoin wallet we recommend, which is Exodus wallet. Just check the description and the link is there. As I said earlier on, if you don't know where to get Bitcoin from or how to get Bitcoin from, easily reach out to me via the link or reach out to the BILBRIDGE team. That is how to deposit money via Bitcoin into your pocket option account. If you have any question regarding this, you can easily reach out to me. You know how to. Just click the link in the description and I'll be here to answer any of your questions, or leave it in the comment section and it will be answered. If you love this video and enjoyed this video and you know it's definitely helpful, give it a thumbs up, share this video with friends and family, and before you leave, click the subscription button to join our family and turn on the notification bell button to be the first to know anytime we post new content that will definitely be helpful to you. Once again, my name is Radio, this is BILBRIDGE, and see you in the next video.